So here's the blouse. Like I told you, it's just a plain white blouse, but it's cute. It's a very, nice, beautiful cut, the buttons, everything. So I'm thinking I didn't want it up higher because where it lays on me, then I would have it come here more at the waistline, you see. I think that looks very nice right there. So that's what it's going to go on. I really like it. I think it turned out gorgeous. Once I try it on, and then I can put my hand in it and see if that's the placement I want it on. Did I want it on the right side, or do I want it on the left side? Generally, I'm thinking, I'm right-handed, so that's why I placed it on the right side. But I think it looks just gorgeous right there. It looks really wonderful. I think it's just added so much class to it now, and it just gives it that vintage touch that I was wanting, and I'm very pleased with it. So thank you for joining me here today on my channel. Next week we are going to be doing another fun video.